Ugly! 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 Look at you! Here he is!
You alright? It was time somebody took care of that sick bastard. Make sure you get the key off Steinman and head back to emergency access. I'm working my way to the backside of Port Neptune myself. We'll get there soon enough.
Wallet a little light? At Surgical Savings, we'll happily work out an affordable payment plan for any major terminal illnesses.
Sounds like another tunnel collapse. Welcome to Rapture, the world's fastest growing pilot joke. It's a little one. Here's your chance to get some Adam.
It's just you and me and all the tasty Adam I can
Stay away from her, or it is you who will be shot next.
Easy now, Doctor. He's just looking for a wee bit of Adam. Just enough to get by.
I'll not have him hurt my little ones.
It's okay, lad. That's not a child. Not anymore, it ain't. Dr. Tenenbaum saw to that.
Bitte, do not hurt her. Have you no heart?
Aye, that's a pretty sermon coming from the ghoul who cooked up them creatures in the first place. Took fine little girls and turned them into that, didn't you? Listen to me, boyo. You won't survive without the Adam those things are carrying. Are you prepared to trade your life, the lives of my wife and child, for Tenenbaum's little Frankenstein?
Here. There is another way. Use this. Free them from their torment. I will make it to be worth your while. Somehow.
You saved me.
The path of the righteous is not always easy, yes. The reward will become clear in time. Be patient.
Tenenbaum's playing you for a sap.
Mr. B.
Those things may look like wee little girls, but looks don't make it so. You need all the Adam you can get to survive. If you cross paths with another of them Gatherer's garden machines, make sure you pick up a new plasmid or two. That's if the price ain't too dear, of course.
In the garden, we are growing.
You're ready now. It's time to take on one of them big daddies. It won't be easy, but it's the only way to get to the little sisters. And the Adam they carry. Are you almost back to emergency access? Come through as soon as you get there. You got Ryan's eye now. You won't hear them coming, but he'll be there before you know it.
What's the matter, Mary? You look like you...
Welcome to the Circus of Value!
I don't feel so great. I'm busy. Sometimes I'm even seeing things that aren't there.
Kill your cravings at the Circus of Value!
Security alert deactivated. Thank you for your patience.
I don't know how you managed it, but you did. Come through to Port Neptune now. I'm looking forward to shaking your hand. Now you had the pleasure of Andrew Ryan's company. He's the one who built this place, and he's the one who ran it into the ground. Nobody knows exactly what happened. Maybe he went mad. Maybe the power got to him. Maybe he just decided he didn't like people. Whichever way you slice it, good men died. Me family's in a submarine hidden in the foundation of Fontaine Fisheries. I'll meet you there.
Welcome to the Circus of Value!
The Little Sisters Orphanage.
Stronger than Hercules, and like a fire with a snap of his finger. Are you as good as my daddy, mister?
Your little girl loves that she's boarding education free of charge. After all, children are the future of Rapture.
I know what you're up to!
Welcome to the circus of...
Who can blame a lady who craves variety? And one day the gentleman stopped calling.
Atlas radioed on ahead. Says you were looking for an invite to the fisheries. Nuts, I say. But if your heads up to the Wharf Master's office and find old Pete's research camera, maybe I could manage an invite. Well, what was that? My friend, you are fucked.